Hi everyone, welcome back again to David's tutorial, and today let me help you to activate your CommBank account or credit card. So there are two options in order to activate your card. First is their mobile app. So you need first to log in to their CommBank app, then head on cards, then swipe across to find your right card. So if you're using our credit card, you need to choose the credit card options. Next is just to tap activate card. So from there, your card is easily activated without any hassle. But if you want to use the NetBank, you can first register for their net code if you're not already. Then log in to their NetBank, then go to setting. Under security, select card activation, then enter the last four digits of your card, then click check. Next is to enter and confirm your PIN, then select Set PIN, then click Get Netcode, then enter your netcode and switch on or click Activate. So these two can help you how to activate your CommBank and make it easy to use.